Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see a problem of integration of mass 2b. As we have seen the problem of yesterday, which was of different kind. Now today also we are seeing the problem of that method only, but division will be it is in the root. It is in the root. Okay. So the question is this: integration of under root of 5 minus x by x minus 2. So this is the question. So first of all, what are the formulas we are going to use? The first technique is numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. This is the first thing. Second formula, integration of f dash of x by f under root f of x is equal to 2 root x. Yesterday we have seen f dash of x by f of x is equal to log of x we have seen. Now here is the 2 root x of fx. And third formula is integration of 1 by under root a square minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. In differentiation we have seen sine inverse x. In the same way here a minus x square is x by a. So some new formula is there for you. This is the one, and this is the last yesterday's technique only which we have used. Now let's start the problem. So this is the question. Integration of under root 5 minus x by x minus 2. So first of all, we have to make the root into denominator. Root should be removed from the numerator. So what we should do in order to make this root take away? So first thing is we have to make it square, 5 minus x square. So multiplying and dividing by 5 minus x, 5 minus x. As we are dividing, see here. So we have multiplied here 5 minus x in numerator and denominator. So 5 minus x will be 5 minus x whole square. And here we multiplied x into 5, 5x, x into x, x square, minus with minus x square, 2 into 5, 10, minus 10, and 2 into x, 2x, and minus into minus plus. So this is the answer we have got. Now this square and this root get cancelled. So here the square will be square and root get cancelled. So it is only for now denominator. Okay. Now up to here, now we keep in the mind about this. We will be using this only in the next step. So up to here it's okay. Now using the technique. What is the technique? Numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. Numerator is this one, denominator is this one. A and b we don't know the values, we are going to bring. So see, numerator 5 minus x is equal to a into d by dx of denominator 7x minus 10 minus x square plus b. We should not take root, leaving the root we have to take the denominator plus b. B value we don't know. So 5 minus x a d by dx of 7x. X is there means 1. 7 into 1 is 7. For x it is differentiation is 1. Minus 10. 10 differentiation means constant value is there, will get 0. So no need to write 0. And x square. X square means a power n means n plus n of a x minus 1. So that is 2x will get. 7 minus 2x. Now 5 minus x is equal to, we just multiply 7a minus 2ax plus b. Till now we are got. Now just we are equating the coefficients. X coefficient, here x. Constant. First of all x. What is x here? Minus x. So minus 1 we got here. And what is the x value here? Minus 2ax. Minus 2a we got. Minus get cancelled. A is equal to 2 will go to RHS side, a is equal to 1 by 2. In the same way constant, 5 is the constant, 5 is equal to 7a plus b. We got the value of a, just keeping the value of a, 1 by 2 after plus b after multiplying it becomes 7 by 2. So now sending this 7 by 2 at other place, 5 minus 7 by 2, just we are solving 10 minus 7 by 2, b value we got 3 by 2. A value 1 by 2, b value 3 by 2 we have got. Now using these two values we are going to solve. So the question is here 5 minus x under root x 7x minus 10 minus x square. As I said, this we are going to use because this and the question are the same. That is equal to same in the numerator. What we have to write? As I said that numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b. So this is only we have to write in the place of numerator. So see here, integration is the same one is equal to 1 by 2 a value d by dx of denominator a d by dx of denominator plus b. A value 1 by 2, d by dx is the same, denominator 7x minus 10 minus x square plus b value is 3 by 2. This is all of numerator and denominator is the same, 7x minus 10 minus x whole square. Now separating this and this, let's separate. So 1 by 2 is the constant, it came here, integration. What is the differentiation of this value? 7 minus 0 minus 2x, 7 minus 2x. Under root the same value in denominator, under root of 7x minus 10 minus x square plus 3 by 2 and nothing is there. Nothing means dx it will be. For every time integration there must will be dx, dy or dz, any variable which varies. So dx is there here and denominator under root 7x minus 10 minus x square. Now as I informed the formula f dash of x means the denominator which is there whose differentiation, see 7, this if you differentiate it will be 7, here it will be 0, x 7 minus 2x. So 2 root f of x, see here there is the formula which I have wrote here, f dash of x by under root f of x is equal to 2 under root of f by x. So here 1 by 2 the same, 2 under root f of x is the denominator plus 3 by 2 is the same and we have wrote the same. Now up to till here just will keep. Now we have to bring this one, we have to bring this value in the form of formula. This is the formula, yeah, under root a square minus x square. This type of formula we have to bring for the denominator value. Just we are keeping this, seeing this minus x square plus 7x minus 10. Now let's make into a square minus b square. Just see, let's we are taking common. It will be plus, it will be minus, it will be minus and it will be plus. The numbers will be. So we are making this in this kind. Okay. So first for a square it should be plus every time. So x square and it will become minus 7x. Minus 7x means 2 ab, a square minus 2ab, minus 2, a value is x we wrote, b value is what? 7 by 2. Why? These two get cancelled, so we will get 7x. Okay. So 7 by 2 is the b value. So that 7 by 2 should be plus squared and negative squared should be done. 7 by 2 plus whole square minus 7 by 2 whole square. If this 2 will cut, we will get the 0. Nothing we are adding, just in order to make the formula we are adding. Plus 10. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. The entire formula is a minus b whole square. A value is x minus b value is 7 by 2. X minus 7 by 2 whole square minus what is remained here? 7 by 2, that is the minus. 7 7 is 49 by 4 plus 10, just we are solving. 40 minus 49 is 9 minus 9 by 4. As it is negative here, negative will be for all. If we will send minus symbol inside, positive value have become negative value, 3 by 2 whole square minus x minus 7 by 2 whole square. Now up to here we got. Now let's see this question. This is the this we are writing 1 by 2 into 2 of all this, 1 by 2 into plus root 3 by 2 integration. In this value we are writing this. In this value as it is root here we are writing 3 by 2 minus x by square. Now you see the formula. Just here the formula is integration of 1 by a square minus x square is equal to dx is equal to sine inverse x by a. X value and a value have to write. X value is this one, x minus 7 by 2 by a value is this. Just do LCM 2x minus 7 by 2 by 3 by 2 to get cancelled, 2x this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, just we are writing the same. So under root of 7x minus 10 minus x square minus 3 by 2 into sine inverse 2x minus 7 by 3 is the answer. So hoping that you have understood. Some it is lengthy, but try to practice, you will understand.